Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. On this day in the year 1947, India became free from British rule. It is our national festival. We remember our freedom fighters on this day. I love my country very much. सारे अच्छे हिंदुस्तान हमारा, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम. Thank you.
My name is Isha Mathur. I study in class 2B. I am Rasab Jhansi की रानी. बोलते ले हर बोलो के मुख हमने सुनाई कहानी थी. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वह तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. है मैं पूर्ण निष्ठा से झांसी की सेवा करूंगी. जो रास्ता है तो युद्ध ही होगा. मैं पंजाब विच रहंदी आ. मैं साडा नेशनल फेस्टिवल लोहड़ी आ. साडे 10 गुरु सिख गुरुद्वारे जांदे आ. सत श्री अकाल. I was launched by ISRO. I was launched in 14th July 2023. I landed on moon in searches life and new things. I am proud of India. Thank you. Hello friends, my name is Asdeep Koda. I am a traffic signal. I have 3 colors: red, yellow and green. Red to stop, yellow to ready, green to go. Hello friends, I am Greenpeace. I give vitamins and energy to keep with. Good morning everyone. My name is Ahana Chakravarti. I am a fairy. I am a child of God. I know magic. I have a magic wand. I am looking so beautiful. Thank you. 3, 2, 1. Rocket is launched. Hello everyone, I am Chandrayaan 3. I am third lunar mission of the Indian Space Mission Coordinator. I am lunar on 14 July 2023 and expected to land on the moon 23 August 2023. My mission is to help India and the moon and the resources. Jai Hind, thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Shrutanvita Banerjee. Today I am a sweeper. The other name of sweeper is garbage collector. Don't say kasra wala. Only say sweeper and garbage collector. Now I am going to sing a song. Bits of paper, lying on the ground, lying on the ground. Make the place untidy, make the place untidy. Pick them up and throw it in the dustbin. Always put the garbage in the dustbin. Good morning teacher and my lovely friends. My name is Aray Vishwakarma. My topic is Save the girl child. A girl is blessings from God. A girl. Good morning everyone. My name is Dhanshika Mahato. Today I am telling about rainbow. Rainbow is very beautiful. Rainbow is one waterfall, creation of nature.
जलाए रखना। ये बात बताओ तो पता आप रोशनी होगी चिरागों को जलाए रखना। लहू देकर जिसकी हिफाजत की जवानों ने, ऐसे तिरंगे को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना, ऐसे तिरंगे को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना। आदरणीय प्राचार्य महोदय, शिक्षकगण, यहाँ उपस्थित सभी अभिभावकगण एवं मेरे प्यारे सहपाठियों, आप सभी को मेरा प्रणाम। मैं भी महसूस अब है भारत माता की संतान। मेरी रगों में भी आप ही की तरह तेजस्वी और तेज दौड़ रहा है। आज आप सभी के समक्ष अपना परिचय इसलिए दे रही हूँ क्योंकि प्रणाम करके अपना परिचय देना हम भारतवासियों की परंपरा है। आजादी ऐसे ही थोड़े मिल गई आजादी। हजारों गोलियां बरस गई, करोड़ों कोने पड़ गए। भारत माता के लाडले कभी लाहौर की सेंट्रल जेल में बर्फ की सिल्लियों पर लिटाए गए, तो कभी अंडमान की सेलुलर जेल में एक एक बूंद पानी को जला। कितनों ने अपनी जान की बाजी लगा दी, तो कितनों ने भरी जवानी अपनी लाशें बिछा दी। अरे ऐसे ही थोड़े मिल गई आजादी। ये जो 15 अगस्त है ना, ये 15 अगस्त 23 मार्च के बाद हमें मिला। 23 मार्च यानी कि वही दिन जिस दिन अंग्रेजों ने भगत सिंह, राजगुरु सुखदेव को फांसी पर चढ़ा दिया। 1947. This day is not just a date on calendar, but is a symbol of our unity, strength, sacrifices, and countless activities based on freedom. For over almost 200 years, our freedom fighters embraced unimaginable hardships to secure the unity, to secure the liberty we cherish today. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, and other countless personalities led the struggle through unmatchable courage and determination. Their vision was not just about a free India, but about a nation that upholds equality, unity, and fraternity. As we celebrate this Independence Day, let us remember that freedom comes along with many responsibilities.
झुक नहीं सकते, ये है देश के दीवाने। गद्दारी हो नहीं सकती देश के विपक्ष में। है कुर्बान जान भी मेरी धरती माँ के समक्ष में, क्योंकि इस देश को माँ का दर्जा मिलता है। हर फूल इस वतन में उनके चरणों में खिलता है। कईयों ने दी है कुर्बानी धरती माँ के वास्ते, मिटा दिया था जो भी आया इस देश के रास्ते, क्योंकि ये धरती उन्हें उनकी जान से ज्यादा प्यारी थी। उन्होंने अपनी जान देकर इसकी नजर उतारी थी। शहीद होकर भी वो अमर हो जाया करते हैं। ऐसे वीर शहीदों को हम सलाम करते हैं। शरीर में पानी नहीं, रगों में रवानी होनी चाहिए। शरीर में पानी नहीं, रगों में रवानी होनी चाहिए। इन शहीदों की तरह जो राज दे सके, ऐसा हिंदुस्तानी होना चाहिए। जय।
साल 1947 से 90 साल पहले की उस घटना को याद कीजिए। साल 1957 में पहली बार स्वतंत्रता की चिंगारी हुआ था। आइए उस समय से लेकर स्वतंत्रता प्राप्ति तक की कहानी को इन छोटे छोटे बच्चों द्वारा प्रस्तुत एक छोटे से नाटक में
78th Independence Day in this campus, and this day in this moment I congratulate you all. When we speak the word independence, it reminds us the dedication of thousands of Indian people, those who sacrificed their life to emancipate Mother India from the British chain. It reminds the unscrupulous exploitation made by the British in India. It also reminds the genocide committed by the British government in 1857 on the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. And it also reminds the non-cooperation movement, civil disobedient movement, and the non-cooperation movement and Quit India movement. It reminds the to non-violence slogan of Mahatma Gandhi. It also reminds the conspiracy of Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Lord Mountbatten, and which had sent by the India as the horror of the division in 1947. It also reminds the devastation created by the British for agriculture, economy, language, culture, and for everything. It also reminds us the dedication and death of 20,000 Azad Hind Fauj Jawans in India to emancipate this country, and the outstanding nationalistic spirit which was shown by the Indian people at that time. We have to enumerate the previous happenings, the history. These days are already come. We have to think for the future. We have to go uphill. We have to do much more things to see the dream, or to materialize the dream of 2047, the vibrant and developed India.
भारत माता की वंदे वंदे वंदे। Namaskar, namaskar to all of you over here on this very auspicious occasion of the 78th Independence Day. Children, you have witnessed a beautiful program this morning. You are celebrating Independence Day. Dear children, you have to understand that this Independence Day, which we are all celebrating, has come with lots of sacrifices. There are lots of people who sacrificed their lives and has worked to bring this Independence Day for all of us. Dear children, you should not forget in the words they have quoted and they have told you, हम लाए हैं तूफानों से कश्ती निकाल के, इस देश को रखना तुम हमेशा याद से, जहान को ऊंचे पटल पर रखना, हमारे देश को आगे बढ़ाते हुए आगे बढ़ते रहना. So this day is not celebrated only to remember the sacrifices of the great people, but initially you all have thought about cleanliness. You have thought that yes, we are going to stop this single-use plastic, but again in your society you can find that there are people who are using single-use plastic and you are not having any say for that. You are again practicing it. See, government cannot always remind you that these are the don'ts and these are the do's of our country. You have to start with, means you have to continue with it. You have to educate the public for it. You have to educate the society for it. Cleanliness is next to godliness. You have to understand, and from your school you have to start with it. You should understand that single-use plastic causes a lot of disaster and you have to promote that. Second thing I we had started the feeling of safe water. We tried to promote it, but then again it has stopped. People again started ignoring. Students, it is your duty to promote this awareness among the society. You have to understand that every day government cannot launch a program of awareness for you all. You have to think that what you are supposed to do and you have to promote it. Then again you have stopped saying that what is required for this nation is first you have to understand respect for elders. You have to understand, you start respecting your teachers, you start respecting your parents, and from that you will understand that every person is connected for the welfare of the nation will be respected.